Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Userlike, which is the ideal real-time chat platform. We will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about the Userlike, we'll check the pricing, and in the end we are creating basically new account, and I'll show you how to set up your Userlike. So, what is it? Userlike is a cloud-based real-time chat software for existing websites that enables real-time communication between internal team members, customers, and employees. This software integrates website chat with mobile messaging and gives a better method of customer communication. Businesses can chat with their customers, agents, employees through their website by connecting their chat box and automating parts of their customers' integrations. Userlike software promises to keep its customers' information secure by its unique data privacy options. It comprises advanced features including custom chat, chat behavior, and chatbots. Team management features inbuilt chat panel, feedback, and custom design templates. Moreover, Userlike also offers analytics and report functionalities that lets users keep track of KPIs. It allows businesses to access the platform from different mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Moreover, through Slack or email, the inbuilt support chat box notifies the support team, asks initial questions to website crawlers, and quickly collects the questions. Businesses can upheave their conversion rates and create loyal bonds with customers through awesome online customer service with a free, open source, and subscription-based pricing strategy. It's made for all types of businesses. If it's small, medium, or large enterprises, everyone can use Userlike. And also, they are providing very nice 24/7 support for their clients, based in Cologne, Germany. When we are checking the pricing tags, as you can see, let's make it more like this. We have a free one, then team, corporate, and business. All of them is well divided by the features, obviously, and also by amount you want to pay. We can go monthly, annually, or biennially. Let's check annual price tags. For free, we have all the core features, unlimited conversations, unlimited contacts, and website messenger. That's for €0 a month. One widget, one seat. For team, we have 4 widgets, 4 seats, 1 channel. All the core features, plus we are going with add-ons, WhatsApp channel, and channel access. All of that costs $90 a month if you want to be billed annually. With corporate, 10 widgets for 10 seats, up to 3 channels. We also have analytics, live translation, video calls, and screen sharing. For €290 a month billed annually. With business, we get 20 widgets, 20 seats, 5 channels, all the core features, and basically all the features you can ever think of at Userlike for €720 a month. That's $800 a month if you want to be billed monthly, and $640 if you want to be billed biennially. So let's start with a free trial. We check the column on the top right of the corner where it says start free trial. Let's go with our name, email address, and let's go with the password. Password must have at least 14 characters, 2 uppercases. So let's go like this. And yeah, send me tips or no more than once a month. Let's go. Company name. How many employees? Let's go 1 to 9. Industry, IT. I'm not a robot, obviously. Create an account. Please click on the information. Okay. So 1 moment. This is actually very nice check if they are actually on point with sending their emails, because some of the apps or the websites that we were run through were really not great enough or great, and it took like even days to get it back. So I'm really glad that it's not the case with Userlike, because we promptly get our confirmation. So which channel would you like to use with Userlike? Let's go with website check, or let's go with WhatsApp website check. As we were talking before, when we go here, the WhatsApp, it's in the paid one, which you pay 90 euros a month. But we can't collide these two somehow. And let's go like this. Let's go with recruiting and hiring. 1, 2, 3. And let's go with don't remember. Let's not go through tutorials. And here we are. We are in our Userlike workspace. On the left side, we have home, message center, account, channels, theme, chat tools, add-ons, analytics, and more. And also you can upgrade theme because it ends in 14 days. We address that we also want WhatsApp, so we can change up the plans. So in home we have conversations happening today, during the last 7 days, and also we have the widgets. In message center, not a lot going on actually, because we are not chatting at the moment with anyone. Also all conversation where you also can have your emails is not really happening. And the contacts, at the moment we have only support, but you have a filter from or to, and you can check all the informations that you probably need. Then also our account, where you can go and check settings of your company and your account, company settings, organizations, audit log, subscription, upgrade, API settings, partner dashboard, partner setting, or you can even delete account here. With API settings, it's really nice to create some integrations, so that's also very nice. Also website widgets. Here you have your team, your operators, groups, chatbots, roles and skills, and many more. I would say that I don't really like the long videos, and I'm planning to do more centralized videos about Userlike, for example, how you add people in the team. So this one won't take like 30 minutes to scare you off, but more like really focused 3-minute tutorial about operators and operator groups. I think it will be more suitable for us to create. But if you have any types of questions about Userlike, how to set up your account, how to set up your trial, please leave your questions underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Up until then, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.